Well, welcome everybody to a September 24th stream for Gift. We've had some good moves over the past few days. The market's been kind of trending. Hope to continue it today as well. So let's get started on it. Pull everything up. Oh, what's up, throwbacks? How you doing? Heat for the win. Yeah, yo, the Heat. Tyler Hero for the win, man. That guy is crazy. 20 years old, getting buckets on the daily. Holy. Let's start with some analysis. Okay, let's do it. I was looking at some stuff. Monthly. Yeah, I took off most of my lines here. Now that we're coming to the end of the month. So let's go to the month. Month basically made a new low. Could be targeting the low over here from the previous month in August. Or I mean, July. Pat Riley knows how to pick them. Yeah, he actually does. Tyler Hero is like one of the nicer picks. If you ask me. Anyways, back to the analysis. So this weekly broke the support, filled the wick, reached the 1650 support. That zone from prior. It's kind of like this whole area over here. Right now it's pretty clean for a bigger move to the downside. You have this wedge being broken. There hasn't really been a retest or anything. I feel like either near the end of today or tomorrow you might get like a pull back. Like it'll hit 1880 before it drops again, most likely. If we go to the true 4-hourly chart, we can see on the 4-hourly, this is why I have it at 1855 to 1850. This whole area with these wicks, that's a zone in itself. If it breaks that, that'll be easy sells though. Let's go to 1 hour. Big drops. Even right here, big drops, break support, continues down, retest, continues down. Slowed down quite a bit. Now you're in this kind of range of about 100 pips, $10. $10 range in this thing right here. So yeah, now if you go lower to the 30-minute, you can see the intraday move. It rejected this top area. Kind of pushing lower right now. 15-minute, yeah, same thing. Had the move, it's going lower right now. So we'll see how the 15-minute closes. I do anticipate it to test down here. I really should have got a short up here though. So we'll see how that goes. This is like 5 more minutes till the candlestick closes anyways. But that, we can look at other pairs too. So the Euro USD has been dropping pretty consistently. Yeah, it's just been like a slow, steady decline. No real buys yet. You want to see the breakout before getting buys on it, but it's like very slow at the moment. Pound jab. You've reached a pretty big resistance at this level right here. It's a big zone resistance. The buys will be above there. That'll be pretty easy if this does continue to break out. You got easy buys to 135.20. Pound CAD, same thing. Yeah, this big cup breakout, and then it started to break out during London session again. Now with Pound USD, I've had this zone for a while. Excuse me. Yeah, the zone dates back to September 10th. So it kind of made a double bottom. It's like retesting the zone. If this continues to break out, then we're gonna see a further up move. We have a doji here. Yeah, I could see this potentially going higher. I feel like there might be some sort of a reversal today. That's what it's kind of setting up for. But we'll watch it. I mean, we gotta wait for candlesticks to close and whatnot. Right now, it's like in this dirty range, so I'm not really taking any trades. I don't really want to force anything, take any cowboy entries or anything like that. So we'll just keep an eye on it. You know what? I'm gonna add everything to this watch list. Let's look at the US dollar, see what it's moving. Still going up. Yeah, if there's no reversal today, I feel like the reversal will happen tomorrow. It's usually you see Forex, you see these moves up, and then you kind of see it down. Well, I'll be right back though. All right, I'm back. Who you got tonight? Throwbacks, Lakers, Nuggets. I feel like LeBron's gonna get like a fucking 40-point triple double or some shit today. I honestly do not see any moves at the moment. Wow, that's nice. Holy 300 pips, just like that. Wow. Aussie dollar eating shit. I don't trade these. I just like to look at them, see why they're moving as they are. Damn, wow, the Aussie dollar is eating shit too. What New Zealand dollar? Yeah, same thing. Really isn't anything on gold at the moment. Yeah, let's move up. I might enter a short actually. Yeah, I might as well. I entered a mini short right now. Should I? Oh, I did not get in on a short, by the way. I didn't do it. I feel like fuck. I need to though. Fuck. I'm gonna put a limit at like 57. See if it hits me at 57. I don't think it will. Oh, it did. 56.90. Well, so I entered a mini short for the fact we had this bearish doji close. Oh man. So we've had this close like right here. See all these rejections on the 15-minute? This one had another rejection pushed lower past here as well. So with that, I'm kind of anticipating for this to test the lows potentially. This is bullish. Nah, never mind. I'm getting out. I got out. I got out. I didn't trust it. If I have to be honest with you, I didn't trust it. Didn't look so good at the moment. No, I didn't get it. I mean, I got it and then I got out. It started to flip up bullish, and now when I was looking at it, it's like pushing up higher. So I think I might enter it long. Because we've had this double bottom, we've had this big down move. And now we've had price kind of just chill in this area. But I think, like I said earlier, I feel like there's going to be a mini reversal. So I'm playing that mini reversal. If this heads up to like 68 or something, starts forming like a reversal pattern, then that's when I'd enter a short. But right now, yeah, I just entered a long actually at 1859.50. So I took a 20 pip loss, and now I'm in a long right here. Put my stop below the hour over here, actually below the 30-minute. So my stop's below this 30-minute candlestick at 56. I'm in at 59.50. Pump fake, yeah, yo, for real. I got pump fake the shit out of too, man. That's the best way to put it, really. Fucking just straight pump faked. Fuck it, is what it is. I'm anticipating the resistance to be broken at 61, 62. That's what I'm anticipating. I feel like you might get like a mini reversal on this one, but yeah, obviously we got the stops in place, got everything in place, so. So yeah, stop loss below here. TP is gonna be around up here for the runner. I'm gonna get my 40 pips and get out, and I think I'm getting pump faked again, man. Well, a 5-minute look. Indecisive. Damn, yeah, I'm getting pump faked hard right now. I like that term, man. I'm gonna keep using it now. Thanks for that, throwbacks. Man, but if it does break 61 to 65 is like a pretty good move. So 62 to 64 would be like a pretty good entry in my opinion. But yeah, obviously might be getting killed on this. Just got stopped out. Damn, that was quick. 2 quick losses. Wow. I think we gotta reanalyze everything. So I think it's gonna drop. How's the 30-minute looking? 30-minute created a new low. 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute created a new low too. No, it pump faking again. Wow, what the hell? It is a tricky game. I'm just watching and it's just like moving however it wants to move right now. It's pretty crazy. Excuse me. See if this 5-minute close is bearish. Do anticipate it to kind of test the lows over here. If this 15-minute close is bearish too, then I'd be kind of safer on the short side. We've had this huge rejection up here. I think I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to wait for the 15-minute to close. I feel like that'll give a better indication of the direction. So, got pump fake twice. Pump fake, pump fake. Fuck it. It's all good. It happens. Yeah, dollar index is going up too. Definitely looking more and more like a short. I'm gonna put in a gauger at 56. Oh, am I gonna get executed on my broker? I just got hit. On my broker, I got hit, but on TradingView, I don't think it shows it on there. I have this stop loss right here. There we go. That's my trade for now. Gonna aim for down here at 51. That means NOS too. What does that mean? What does NOS mean? Yeah, this thing's about to go bearish. Quick move down. I'm anticipating that. 5-minute finish bearish too. So we got 5 more minutes until the 15-minute closes, but I'm anticipating this to push down. So we'll see if it actually does push down. TP's at 52 for now. Because if it does push down, then I feel like 52 is going to be the target for the day. But if it breaks past these lows over here, it's going to be tanking. I'll tell you that much. Maybe it will during New York Open. Who knows? See 30 more pips approximately. Man, I wish I got the shorts from up here. I wish I could analyze it better. I had it at 57 and then I reversed it. And then, yeah, I got pump fake twice, man. Damn. But yeah, now I'm on a short. I feel like with this 15-minute close right here, you're going to get a push down, especially now that hour broke the previous hour low. So with that happening, I feel like with this huge bearish momentum anyways, you might even get a break of the lows eventually here. I think let's just wait and see what happens. I think it might happen during the 7 o'clock hour. For the fact, if you look at the true 4 o'clock hour, there's no lower wick on this 4 o'clock or the 4 hour candlestick. This is a true one because this is when gold actually opens. So this is why I have the two gold charts, because when this one has no lower wick, and if it breaks 51, breaks 48 area, you can see big bearish move down. We can see that is right here at the 51.93 area. So keep an eye out for it. Just watch it. Looks like the sellers are coming into play right now. So yeah. I might take profits, right? And when I take profits, I might have a re-entry point around like 51, 52 or something. So we'll see. If this 15-minute closes like this, the next one in theory should push down lower, especially with the 30-minute break-in candlesticks and with the hour breaking candlestick singular. Looks like it's gonna head down a little bit. So big thing is this 30-minute. You have this huge rejection area up here, and now you have this whole lower area right here. And if it breaks that, then we're heading way downtown. I think we're heading to like 20s or 30s today, and it's Thursday. There's volume today. Is there news today? I guess news happened. It's probably why I pushed up, eh? But Chair Powell speaks, testifies. Yeah. Honestly, 7 o'clock, we can see a big push down too. So that's one thing I'm gonna be watching. Probably secure profits, and then yeah, we'll get the wick up for the 7 o'clock hour candlestick, and then potentially push down lower. So I'm gonna wait for formation on that one. But right now, I'm gonna most likely secure some profits on this trade. Pretty much covered the losses earlier, and yeah. So right now it's at 51.5 for my TP. 51.5. So it got pushed down like 20 more pips. But look at how this strong bearish candlestick came in. And if I had the volume on here, you could probably check volume on it. Should I have volume? Been a while since I used volume. Nah, I've been trading well without it. 50-minute close, and as you can see, big bearish candle. So yeah, you just gotta wait here. Adjusting my TP to 52 actually. I feel like 52 is gonna be a lot more reasonable right now. So my TP's at 52. This stop loss is gonna be moved over here at 58. About 7 pips away. No, 10 pips. Yeah, the thing is, you're gonna see some traffic. This is a lot of traffic in here right now. But in theory, it should really test like 50s and 51. That's why I have it at 52 for now. I feel like 52 is gonna get hit. And then with that getting hit, because look at the 15-minute candlestick, big red. This one should go big red too. Well, not big red, but like have at least a big push down, especially into the hour close. And then we could plan for the next trade. So the next trade would be probably another short when the 7 o'clock hour opens. Because if this hour closes like this, and if 7 o'clock starts opening upwards, I might have like some limit orders going on the way up. So keep an eye out for that. Still early in the 15-minute candle. I'm not too worried about this movement over here. Yeah, there it goes, reverses. This one should continue downwards on the 1 minute. 5 minute, how's that look? Yeah. Well, I mean, the bid hit 52, but the ask didn't. I should hop in. Still learning though. Yeah, if you're still learning, you don't gotta hop in. Yeah. I gotta be calm when I take a loss now. You can't really like dwell on it, right? Like I got faked out, pump faked on my earlier short. I went long, got pump faked on that, and then I found out like the true direction was downwards, right? So it's about allies. As long as you keep your losses small, and if you have a stop loss, most of the time it's going to be beneficial for you because then you'll have equity to play with and you're not really like risking a lot of your capital, right? And then at the other point, you can wait for like this type of move. This type of move pretty much covered both my losses, and if it hits my profit, take profit, then it'll be like a winner for the day. So just about consistency in that course of action. But yeah, I think we just gotta wait and see how the market reacts. Really. Damn, that short was nice too, eh? Wow. Plus this 15-minute, the 631, look, that's a big bearish move right here, right? So I'm kind of anticipating if it's not this one, then the next one to be bearish as well. So we'll just keep an eye out for that. Yeah, you gotta trade with stop losses, man. That's the biggest thing. Once your stop loss gets hit, then you know you have a. That's pretty defined. Dude, if this hour finishes like this though, fuck. The next hour is gonna push down so hard. Give me 1 second. We'll go on mute for a quick minute. I got out of this trade. 52. 50. Come back. Yeah, now with this trade, the easy sells are going to be below the wicks. That's going to be safe sells going downwards. Um, Depending how the 7 o'clock opens, I might get up here and then get like on the wick entry, and then have that push lower near the end of the 7 o'clock candle. But we'll see how everything closes. We got 8 more minutes till the close, and then go from there. Yeah, the safest sells are going to be below the wicks, even below this hour wick. But we see this big push up right now, so it was a good thing I took profits on this trade. It's a winner. But overall, I'm up only a little bit today, just for the fact that I took those two unnecessary losses earlier. But it is what it is. Stop loss is coming to factor there, though. Fuck. If I didn't have that stop loss, it could have been a lot worse. Stop loss on the long, stop loss on the short. Pump faked on the short, pump faked on the long. That is what it is. Yeah, I'm looking for this level to be broken. If it breaks 50s on high volume, we're going to 40s. Big bearish candlestick yesterday too. Yeah, this thing could easily, honestly, 1820 seems like a pretty decent area to contend with. I wish I had my lines from way back, but I didn't expect it to drop this hard. Either way though, this whole formation was beautiful. It was building up. You got the wick fill already. You got the retest. You got this down move. So breaks below that. We're heading lower. Gotta wait for it to close now. Yeah, I'm gonna put a note down here. If it starts breaking below here, we're heading down. Yeah, I guess we're just chilling now. Fuck. I'll look through all the charts in a bit here. I'm just taking a mini break. Damn, that push up is nice. I guess it did reject the lows over there. Okay, let's go through the rounds with everything closing. GJ, big resistance level right here. No denying that. It's been rejecting that area. Pound CAD, same thing. Resistance area over here. Pound USD. Yeah. All the pound pairs look similar in the fact they all hit resistance. It kind of rejected it. USD CAD's pushing up a little bit. If you go to the 4 hour. A pretty big resistance too. There's a lot of these pairs coming up at like big levels right now. So like 134, that area. Euro, Doji at the bottom. We had that nice breakdown, 36, 26. That would have been 10 pips or close to 10 pips. Pushed all the way back up. USD has a dollar index, so this is gonna be the biggest key right here. 94.50. That's where it's at right now. I mean, even with this weekly candlestick, next week you're gonna see another push up, guaranteed. Okay, so now we have the hour close on gold. If it pushes up to like 56, 57, I might get another entry on the short side for the fact that I kind of want to see it. Yeah, not on this candlestick, but like when it starts going bearish, for example, I do anticipate it kind of continuing lower and breaking the support over here. I mean, this one's going bearish right now, but fuck. Damn, that was a nice move. What's the hour look on that? Hour looks pretty decent. Damn, that might have been it. I think we're gonna wait. It's still early in the hour, so fuck, be patient with it. I feel like this is just a mini fake out to grab the short orders and get people stopped out. But in reality, I do think we're gonna get up here and then get that push lower, kind of like that, and all the way down. So it's the one thing I'm gonna be waiting for the intraday short. Or it could just go all the way down. Who knows, right? Who the fuck knows? I'm gonna reduce my position sizing. I got 50% of my max right now. That's a nice bearish move, though, if I had to say so myself. Fuck. I didn't really anticipate that to happen. I felt like it was kind of gonna, yeah, there we go, continue a little bit higher and then push down. Like daily still bearish. The 1 hourly is still bearish too. Not a big body, but like still a body in general. Yeah, with the 1 minute pushing up. 58, maybe have like a first entry. 58. I'll put it in there. Nah, 57.50. Gauger. So we'll see how that one turns out. 4 hour close bearish on Euro USD too. I feel like if there's a push up, there's gonna be like a push down after. Damn, this pound, that one closed pretty nice. How about GJ? Yeah, GJ too. Maybe you do get the reversal today. Hey? Be watching out for that. Yeah, I'm getting ready by order. 750. I'll be right back. Yeah, send your uni chart. I'll look at it. Give me like 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Damn, that was fuck, I should have kept my 57.50. A nice push down though. Wait for the candlestick to close. See how the next 15-minute opens up. See if this thing works. So you still in buys here? No. Pull it up here. So you did have the support here, and it is pushing up higher, and I know you want to buy it. Where are your buys right now? They're pretty messy, but like I could see where you're entering. If you did have buys right now, for example, and if you were looking to hold it longer term, literally my stop loss would be like right here. I just have a stop loss down here below these candlesticks right now. Because for the fact, if it goes higher, then this should just push up higher. But if it breaks this area, it's gonna push down over here too. You know what I mean? So if you were in buys right now, or if you're like the best buys after this double bottom would have been like right here. This would have been the best buys, and that was what, like last night. Have your stop loss below here, breaks out, continues up higher. Now at this area, I don't know if you're in buys or whatnot, but I know you do want to buy. The safest buys are going to be above this area for sure. If it breaks here, then it's going to go here. It's usually how it moves. That's going to be the safest buys. If you want to take cowboy buys right here, at this point, I think you just take the buy here, and you just have your tight stop loss here. Excuse me. So if it does break the low, then you're covered, and you can wait for a better entry potentially down there or something. Once again, I don't really know how cryptos move, but just basing off simple chart analysis, that is like how chart analysis works, for example. So now this trade here is gonna be interesting. Purple area is 4 hour. Oh, that's a 4 hour. Okay. Purple area is 4 hour. Yeah, I see that. So even if you add like your entry here, you have your stop loss below here again. So you kind of give it room to move, but at the same point, it is breaking out of this down move. So there is potential. Don't get me wrong. Would I trade it? Probably not. But yeah. I see the red 1 hour here and the red 1 hour here. This is a 4 hour too. But I still think if you want to take buys, take it, but have your stop loss tight, because with cryptos, you know, it could like completely reverse its course on you and go all the way down too, right? So just be careful, man. Don't be taking cowboy entries like me and being pump faked out of it like me too. This looks like it's gonna fucking fly. Or can it even fly too? Yeah, who knows? I do wonder if the US dollar is gonna have a reversal today. It's been pumping up quite nicely too. We'll see. I gotta keep an eye for both sides. I feel like there's gonna be a big ass move towards either side on this. I think when the New York market opens or when Powell starts speaking or something. That looks nice. 57. What's it at now? 57. No, it's too late. I don't like that. Pound USD. Yeah, pound USD looks nice too. Potential wick fill. I'm gonna wait. Am I risking too much if I enter? Yeah, I don't know. How's this? How's big red? That's mini red. And the red here. Guess it's a patience game today, hey? Fuck. That wick down lower though, that was a good entry point, I'd say. Yeah, even on GJ too. It's a big resistance. I don't want to buy a fucking resistance. Yeah, no, I'll leave it. No problem, throwbacks. Thanks for tuning in every day. Like doing this. I like looking at charts. Man, this is still bearish. Fuck. Dun, dun. Entry here, stop loss 58, 59. Man, it's either I enter now, cowboy entry, stop loss is above here, or I enter when it breaks the lows at 51. Yes, or we wait. This looks like it's gonna fucking just tank though. Lower highs, hitting supports over here. Breaks below the low, it's gonna just crash. 720 right now. That's a 5-minute look. Mm. Putting a sell stop at 50 down here. Put a sell stop down here for sure. Yeah, there we go. Put a sell stop at 51.50, 51.40 actually. That'll be one of them. I want to sell stop below these candlesticks too. It's that price anyways. Whoops. 48, 48.50 probably. Yeah, 48.50 is going to be another sell stop. That's for the short side. I feel like it has to break those levels in order to continue lower. As for a cowboy entry, I think I'm going to wait a little bit. In theory, this should continue higher, but there's just so much rejection at the resistance right now. It's like you're buying at the resistance and you're anticipating a push past. Your stop loss is going to be 15 pips. And your take profit's gonna be potentially higher as well. Even this one too, hey, you got the tops, you got the wicks coming down here. 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute, if it pushes past, that's pretty good. Right now, I don't like buying at resistance levels. Taught you a lot for sure. Yeah, man, that's a good compliment. No problem, anytime. I'm still learning too. Big learning process for sure. All right, I got my cowboy entry. 55.83. Small position, probably like an eighth of my total position size. Because I must sell stops one here and one here too. And I'm anticipating the lows to be broken again for the fact that big red candlestick, this candlestick's kind of indecision, but if you go on lower time frames, it's like lower high, lower high. This 30-minute, yeah, if it finishes above here, finishes pretty bullish, I'll probably get out. But other than that, what I'm anticipating is like the 5 minutes or 7 minutes to coming up in the end of the hour to kind of push lower. So we'll see. I have my stop loss at 59. Yeah, 59 is good. So I'm gonna put my cowboy entry position here. It's a little bit lower, 83. I wouldn't recommend this to nobody, to be honest. Stop loss of 59. What I'm anticipating is this to break lower, and I do have profits to risk or like house money to actually press the attack with. So that's the only reason I'm taking this trade. For now, I'm not gonna have another entry up here. I want to wait for the levels to be broken. And once the levels are broken, I feel like that's when you're gonna get the true sell-off. But 30 minutes still forming. This 15-minute, this one closed pretty bearish. So I have my stop loss above this 15-minute right here. If this one closes bullish, I'll get out. But if it starts to reverse course, then it's going to be pretty good. I have a few sell stops below these wicks and then another sell stop below these wicks for a potential move downwards. But obviously, I think we got to wait and see how that reacts. This is why I couldn't buy at the resistance, by the way. Like, yeah, general, it does look good, but you're at this just nasty area right now. And that goes for like all pound pairs. So I was turning me away from it. 30-minute, yeah, there's like you want strong bullish candles. I mean, there's still 5 minutes for the hour, for the 30 minutes, sorry, excuse me. But just in general, I feel like you need stronger closes. This one doesn't look as good. The dollar index does look like it's going lower. That means I might reverse my course. I might actually take longs in the next 30 minutes over here. If this does continue to drop and have like its reversal day today, then yeah, I think that would be a good point for me to get in on the reversals on most of these pairs over here. Especially the pound USD, the pound is strong, and then if the US dollar is weak, this should push up higher. So I'm actually gonna add that to my watch list right now. That's one thing I'm gonna anticipate for the pound. Yeah, you know what? I took a mini entry right now on the pound, having my stop loss below the hourly candle at 45. My entry's at 63. I feel like I have room to get a few more entries on that. So we'll see. I think a potential wick fill is possible with like another potential move higher to like 28. So we'll see on that front. This one, It's kind of going bullish at the moment, so it's kind of, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get out. I think it broke the highs, yeah. So this trade I am exiting out of, this gauger. It's choppy. It's in this tight ass range down here too, so it's kind of tough to trade. But if this 15-minute closes like this and this 30-minute closes like this, I feel like you're gonna get a mini wick down and then a push up, and that's one thing I'm gonna wait for. If I want to get another buy on gold, I'm gonna wait for that wick down and then the push up. So on gold and on pound USD too. Pound USD, you have this bullish finish on the 7 o'clock 30-minute. So I feel like you're gonna get a little push down and then a push higher. So that's the one thing. So when the 7:30 candlestick opens up, you're gonna get that initial sell, grab some orders, and then push up near the end of the hour. That's what I'm anticipating. Look at the 4-hour two bullish candlesticks. This one should, in theory, continue up higher too, even if it's like for 10 pips or whatever it may be. GJ, yeah, they all do look bullish right now. The reversals are like happening in front of our eyes. Yeah, even for gold too, just how it's rejecting this lower area, not really momentum to like push past. It's where I feel like you could get a potential reversal today. Because in theory, for like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock hours, it does continue the trend. Like here you have 6, 7, 8, all bearish candlesticks continuing the trend. Even over here too, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, bearish candlesticks continuing the trend as well. And I think here too. Yeah, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Well, 6 o'clock was bullish, but 7, 8 bearish ones. And then you break the lows during the Asian session. So it's not really doing that. And that's where I feel like it'll kind of push up. This wasn't really a strong selling candlestick either. Usually, if you want to see a strong selling candlestick, you need to see something like this, you know, big body. This one was like a rejection on the lower end and the rejection on the upper end. It's where I feel like a reversal might be happening. And that's where I feel like the US dollar might have a mini sell before continuing its direction. So we'll see. But yeah, the 30 minutes closed. So let's look at the 30s on everything. 30-minute closed bullish, right? Got a mini entry at 57.70 right now. And yeah, if this pushes up higher, then we're gonna be good. Even pound USD too. I got some entries at 63. So if it pushes up higher, then we're good. But obviously I'm just looking for the wick fill and then leave a potential runner, maybe. So see how that goes. For gold right now, I'm at 57.80 on my entry. And if it pushes up, I'm gonna have my stop loss at 56. And then just kind of play that reversal that I think is gonna happen pretty nicely here now. Breaks above 61, 62, you're gonna get up to like 66. 65 might be my target for the day. And honestly, if it breaks the wick up here, I'm gonna have 62 to 64 as like another kind of range play on that. So I think it'll just be a patience play at this point. Pound USD is actually turning out very nicely. Man, today is just the definition of range and being nimble and reversing course. I swear to God, it's just like, yeah, it's an interesting day, I'll tell you that much. I do have some buy stops at 62 on gold right now too, so. And then I think 64 is gonna be my little exit on most of my positions. 64. Obviously, we'll wait. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of these sell stops I got too. Still early in the 30-minute, but we got that little wick down. I'm anticipating this to continue higher because we have a bullish close here. So I'm expecting it to continue bullish potentially. But it's reversing its course on me again. How's a 15-minute close? 15-minute close pretty bullish too. Yeah, I mean, rejection at this area though. That's tough. 5-minute. I think patience is going to come into play here. 15-minute. Yeah, I'm going to have to get real. It's a tough one, but it is what it is. Ooh, yeah, the dollar just reversed like that, hey? How's the hour look on this now? Hour's still going bearish, so see how that turns out. Damn, trading is tough today. I got out of this trade too, by the way. The pound USD. It pushed up and then it pushed down, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Took a quick L on that one. I'm gonna focus on this gold trade. Actually, I feel like gold has potential towards either side at the moment. So stop loss is at 52. And then yeah, I think we gotta be patient with this one. If it does continue its course. That was a nice liquidity grab if you ask me. Fuck. I'll wait for it. If this one does continue higher, then we're good. 15-minute, yeah, 30-minute. That could be a liquidity grab. So I think I'll keep an eye on that. On the 5-minute look, 1 minute, pushing up. Honestly, the biggest thing, it has to break 60, 61, 62. Like my entries right now are Cowboys entries for like this 30-minute trying to continue its push up from the previous one. So we'll wait there. But yeah, obviously now if it breaks the lows over here, that's going to be like sells. That's why my stop loss is here. And then I think I'm going to have some sell stops heading lower because that's where the other potential will come in. Damn, this dollar is fucking rocketing right now. Holy. This is why it's tough to buy resistance levels. I think that's where I kind of fucked up on this trade. Bought at resistance levels. Reality should have shorted at resistance levels. It's in a dirty ass range right now too. That's one thing that's kind of off about this trade. It's how it's in a nasty, nasty, nasty range. Now I don't really want to reverse course yet. Like I don't want to exit and just enter on sells because it still hasn't broken that structure on the upside because you have the 15-minute kind of closing bullish here. This one's kind of being wacky. But even the 30-minute, yeah, the 30-minute close bullish too. So that's why I'm anticipating kind of a reversal to happen, but obviously it ain't gonna happen, is it? Go 7 more minutes till the 15-minute closes, and I feel like that's gonna give a bigger indication whether I get out like half of my position or whatnot. So I think I might have to. But yeah, no, the short side has some good opportunity as well. So I'm not too worried on either side at the moment. Because if it does break 52s over here, then it's gonna head downtown. How's the hourly look? Yeah, the hourly looks pretty bearish right now, so. How's this one look? Yeah, this is pushing up, eh? So the dollar's pushing up. This should push lower. Pump faked again, throwbacks. The day of pump fakes. Fuck it, it's all good. Yeah, with this thing going like this though, I do feel like it's gonna continue down. So we'll see how it flips. But yeah, if it breaks below here, we're heading lower, and that's where it looks like it's going. Because if it starts breaking the lows, then we are gone, my friend. Almost at my stop loss. Hit my stop, my reverse course. So now with the lows being broken, this should continue lower. And I feel like the lows will be broken down here as well. So 30-minute lows, yeah, 30-minute broke candlesticks right here too. So with that, I think the hours are looking pretty bearish. Yeah, look at that hour. This is going to continue downwards into 8 o'clock for sure. Get 45 as a target and then kind of just chill on it after. Fuck. How's this 4-hour look? Yeah, 4-hour liquidity grab. Push lower. This should continue lower, to be honest. Yeah, this 4 hours about to fucking tank, dude. So I'm gonna have some sell stops below the lows too. So if it starts breaking the lows, I feel like it's gonna head lower. We'll see. It's kind of being very tough to trade at the moment. I'm gonna have another sell stop below the wick low right now. So I just have like sell stops going below. Because if it does start selling off, then we got potential for it to break. And if it breaks, then we got potential for it to continue down lower as well. So keep an eye out for that. And with like candlesticks breaking the lows going like bearish at the moment, I feel like this 15-minute is gonna continue down. Like the next 15-minute candle should push down lower as well. So that's one thing I'm gonna be looking for. And then yeah, my target's gonna be like 45 for a take profit. So let me get this short in right here now. I have a stop loss above here. And then 45, 44. I'll just put it down here for now. But if it starts breaking, you're gonna get a huge impulsive sell. Excuse me. But yeah, huge impulsive sell, and then that should be it for the day. Fifteen minutes about to close, and if 15-minute closes like this, we're heading down on the next 15-minute for the hour close, and then at 8 o'clock, I feel like you're gonna get the push down as well. So keep an eye out for that. Yeah, that 15-minute close is nice. This third time testing the lows over here, you're gonna get a break for sure. Man, I should have trusted my original analysis. Remember I said if 7 o'clock pushes up like that, that would be a nice like sell opportunity. It's exactly what it was. Nice sell opportunity at that point, but that's what it is. It is what it is. This candlestick, I'm not too worried about. I mean, it just started the open of the 15-minute. Usually you're gonna get a move like that, but just looking at like every other time frame right now, it should not continue like that. So we'll see how it goes, for example. But yeah, safest sells, like I'm gonna sell stop below here. So see how it turns out. Excuse me. This 5-minute look. Oh wow, it's a fat fucking reversal. Holy. Man, throwbacks. The pump fakes are real today. Hey, fuck. How's this fucking pound one look right now? Damn, never mind. I got out. Damn. Nah, it is what it is. Think I'm gonna have to wait. Think the reversal is more likely now, so I think I'm gonna have to actually wait for the levels to be broken, whether it's up here or down here. I think that's the biggest key as of right now. See which level gets broken first, and then kind of go from that point. So yeah, it looks like it's reversing course. I guess the 1850 area is the support. That might be it. So I was technically trying to short at the support, but I should be like, yeah, it's gonna push up. That was a huge reverse. What a fake out candlestick. Holy. Yeah, this 15-minute faked me out pretty hard. Nah, this is the days of pump fakes, if you ask me. Holy. Pump fake after pump fake after pump fake. But if this closes like this now, we'll see how the last 10 minutes of the candlestick is. So we got rejections on the dollar index as well. So we'll see how these close. But if this starts to close bullish, I do feel like you're gonna get a reversal for today around like 65, 67 area. My TP at like 65. So 62 to 65 will be my last trade of the day. But wow. Tough day, man. Tough day. Yeah, it's starting to reverse its course. That looks pretty good if you ask me. Oh, fuck. No reversal is bound to happen, but I'm happy we formed this lower range now because now if it breaks below here, you're going to get a big sell off. But how this is forming, this is going to break 62 to 60. I'm going to put it at 66 for now. That's the 40 pips that I usually get. So That'll be my trade from 62 to 66 if it gets there. Because I feel like with this huge bullish momentum on gold right now, you're going to see a nice continuation higher. And, might as well play it last trade of the day, right? So yeah, this candlestick started to break the highs, finishing pretty strong bullish, nice liquidity grabs. In reality, it should continue higher too. And then once it breaks here, yeah, you're going to get the push up for sure. Ideally speaking, I do want to see this just push up on the last 5 minutes, but that's ideal, right? Never ideal. Yeah, there we go. That's pushing up now. Should break 62. And if it breaks 62, then we're going to be good for the day. So we'll keep an eye out for that. The 30-minute look. Yeah, 30-minute. That bullish liquidity grab. Break 62. Break a 62, you're going to get that big push. That's what I'm looking for. Break a 62, get the big push. Or not. This one was a clean move. Yeah. How does the hour look? Yeah, the hour looks good too. I feel like it's gonna come at 8 o'clock potentially. 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute looks nice now. 1 minute. Three more minutes till the close here. So you gotta be patient now. Couple more minutes on this one. Daily look. Oh yeah, that's a daily high. No wonder. I was wondering why. So if it breaks that daily high, you get a nice little push up. It's this high, 69 is that high. So I don't think it'll get up there, but if it does, right? So we'll see how it goes. This is about to close. 30-minute big liquidity grabs. Yeah, these are some liquidity grabs. Now you got to break above this resistance. You're going to retest the highs over here. So that's one thing we'll be looking out for. And it's pushing up near the end of the hour. It's a good indication right now. Yeah, there's a nice push up near the end of the hour. Ooh, look at all these closes. Wow. Look at that. 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour. Now we're going to see a little push up. How about this one? This 4-hour close too. Yeah, that 4-hour close bullish. You're getting the reversal today. That's what it looks like at the moment. Didn't break 62 yet, but I mean, when this thing goes past 62, it's gonna fucking fly. Tell you that much. Almost there now. Just a little bit more. Come on, let's go. A little bit more. No, not there yet. Ooh, there it goes. 62. It broke the resistance. Watch it continue for the day. 40 more pips still to take profit. I'm in it now. I'm gonna be careful in it. 62 to 60, 66, 62 to 66. That's the 40 pip trade of the day. I gotta make a note not to play in the range. The range is fucking dirty. Man, look at this hour. Now you're coming up here. Yeah, you're gonna get like a nice push up at 8 o'clock for sure. Good bullish momentum. If you just base it off the 30-minute, yeah, it's gone, my friends. It's gone. About 30 more pips till target is reached. Let's go to the hour. So the highs here, 66. Yeah, we're good. How's the euro look? Euro looks like it's reversing. This is weird. This is dirty today. That's just, I guess, yeah, the resistance area. Excuse me. That silver popped up too. Let's go. Push up. I know you want it. I know you want to do it. 68 is the resistance. So around like 68, you're going to get a lot of traffic around that area. But from here, this head and shoulders, this like break right here, you're going to get the push up to like 66. 100%. I think that's going to happen. Look at how that hour formed too, right? Bullish, liquidity grabs, finished above here. And this one's like pushing up now too. So I think if this drops, we'll be good. But fuck it. Let's be watching this for now. 1 minute. Yeah, nice little retest. Pop up. Might take the better part of the hour for it to take profit, but I feel like the bare minimum, you're gonna get the wick fill right here. Was that 66.23? Yeah, right here, approximately somewhere around that area. Oh wow, Euro's pumping up too, eh? Euro looks like a good trade. Get a nice 10 pipper on this one. Yeah, look at that consolidation. This one's gonna push up a little bit. I think pound's pushing up too. Pound's pushing up too. Pound jab, no. Pound cad, no. I want to give this trade the better part of the hour. Kind of like let it move a little bit, give it room to move. Because the momentum should carry it up to these Asian session highs up here. So I mean the 5-minute resistance is at 68. The 15-minute, when you go date it back here, is around 66. The 30-minute between 66 and 68 is a 30-minute. So that whole zone right here. And then when you go to the hourly is the wick fill at this point. What is this area? Yeah, 66. 66 is a good target. I just gotta chill on it. See, that's a tough part with like buy stops on gold because you're always gonna get like a bad entry. It's like getting it down here. You're gonna get like up here. But I mean, that's where you got to trust your analysis, right? You got to trust that push that'll happen in the hour. And that's what I'm trusting right now. I'm trusting the push that'll happen in the hour, push past 64, push past 65, and continue up higher. If you look at the 15 minute, this 15 minute, if this closes pretty bullish, then we're good. We got about 8 minutes left on it. I think the dollar's dropping too. Yeah, the dollar index is dropping at the moment. 94.50 is a good like resistance area for this thing. Also, when you look at gold right now too, this candlestick went bullish. So kind of went bullish. I'm expecting something like, where's another down move? Not like this, for example, but like kind of just a push up. Trying to find a good one. Kind of like this in a sense. Nice green day afterwards. Especially after 4 straight days down. It was bound to have like kind of a chill out day. If I want to put it in that term. Here we go. Man, this is a nice trade too. This is gonna push up quite huge. Trust my analysis. $20 more pips. Man, this silver trade would have been nicer. Fuck. 22 cents. Yeah, that's fucking fat. Ah, whatever. I'm on gold. Stick with gold. Reason why I got 66 as my take profit is because of this. So this resistance area is around 67. So obviously I like to go a few dollars before, and it coincides with my 40 pips that I usually target. So yeah, I think we're gonna have to be patient on that, see how it goes. Oh, what? Oh no, it's just a 5-minute being whack. Well, I guess a 10-minute pullback too, right? Yeah, 10-minute little pullback. Yeah, damn, even the 10-minute, you got the 67 area is a good area. 20-minute, yeah. 45 minutes. Weird ass candle. Yeah, 67 is that area for sure. I'm just gonna have to wait on the trade. And tomorrow I might take it a little bit easier. I think I got kind of fucked over today on some trades. Got pump faked, as my homie Throwbacks likes to call it. Yeah, this one pumped up too. Nice. Dollar's dropping quite nicely, actually. I think it's exhausted. Buyer's exhaustion. This euro looks like a reversal down. It's probably gonna hit like 65 area. If anyone was trading that, that'd be a good target for euro. And then pound. Nah, it's at resistance. I'm not gonna trade that. But I feel like a reversal's coming into tomorrow. Tomorrow you might hit like 80s on this one, and then it creates like a nice range where it could pump up during the start of the week and then push all the way down near the end of the week next week. So that'll be a good trade on gold. Good analysis I'll have over the weekend for it. Two more minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Well, that 15-minute didn't look nice, but it's based off the 30 anyways. Last minute push or what? Hmm. You gotta be patient and kind of trust it. So, no way, that's tough. That is tough right there. Well, at least it created a range, right? You know, something like this could happen too. Red move down and then a big bull move up. But I think I have to kind of manage my trade at this point. Dollar's dropping, which is nice. 15-minute close pretty bearish. This continues to drop. I feel like this red move or the sell was kind of just like a mini fake out, but obviously we'll have to wait and see for that. I'm anticipating for it to continue up higher, at least to the wick fills. But we'll see how that goes. How does this 4-hour look? The US 4-hour. Yeah, this 4-hour looks good. You have a higher low, and now you got the higher high on this 4-hour. So, I mean, patience is going to be a big thing with this trade right now. How does this one look? Yeah, this is nice. This is gonna be a nice move to like 60s, mid 60s. What is 15-minute close? Interesting. I don't know why gold did that. That's weird. That's actually pretty weird. How gold closed bearish like that when everything else is like bullish. Not too worried though. I mean, what can you do, right? Because I said I want to give it better part of the hour because I feel like the hour is going to continue the direction into like 8, 9, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Mm. I'm gonna invite Chan in a second here. Give me a moment. Yo, yo.
Hey, what's up?
What up, man? How you doing?
A lot better if I had more sleep, but it is what it is.
Guess no more overnighters for you, eh?
No, I'm done, man. It's not. It's not worth it.
Yeah, I understand your
Like I
pains
shot up at
there.
4-ish o'clock in the morning
Yeah,
to look at
yeah.
it, and I saw it was just like I'm down $7, but it's not really playing out as I imagined. So I just closed it and went back to sleep.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah, it wasn't worth it. I'm so tired.
Yeah, you sound roach too.
Yeah, I know.
Damn, I had a buy stop on gold. It never hit my 40 pips, so I just got out. That was tough. Been a tough day today, to be honest, man. Been like
Right
up.
now?
Yeah, yeah. Been like
Wait, so
up
was
and
it?
down. Well, when it broke, right? I felt like when it broke, it was gonna continue up a little bit higher, but it never really panned out that way. So I just got out for a mini L, but it's all good.
Yeah, it's all good, bro. So was it pretty hard to trade today?
Yeah, it was quite hard, man. It's just so rangy and choppy right now.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I feel like the 1850 is a pretty good support. So right now, coming into Friday and everything, I feel like a good reversal might happen
Yeah.
today. So, well, not today, but like coming near the end of the week, because you have like this kind of slowdown, buyer's exhaustion, and then we'll see how it turns out, really, right? So,
Yeah.
plus just looking at this formation, multiple bottoms, even like near the end of today, you might get like that little reversal too. You never really know, right? So, but I'll watch it.
Yeah. It's tapped it 3 times and stuff. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's just that's tough. What was your price at?
My price was 62 because of the buy stop, right? But the whole reason for the buy stop is because this hour closed bullish,
Yeah.
30-minute. But I had like losing trades and one winner and like 3 losers today. That's how
One
tough it
minute.
was, bro. It was like up and down because like I had a short here and then it reversed up,
Yeah.
so I got out. And then I had a long and then it went down. Then I got out. Then I got the short, got out for profit, and
Yeah.
now I got a short on this candlestick thinking it would break the lows, and then yeah,
Yeah.
you see what happens, right? So
Yeah.
either way, though, just considering how many times this went down here, I feel like a longer term long would be good to like the 80s now, just for the
Mm-hmm.
fact that we've had this big ass down move, and usually gold after a big ass down move has like a pretty decent sized up move to like the 7, like a good chunk of it gets reversed. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I agree.
So like a good
I
chunk
agree.
does usually get reversed. I don't know if it'll happen today though. I feel like shit's done for today.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, man. So it is what it is. It is what it is.
Yeah, man. Fair.
But I think I'm done for the day. It's kind of
Yeah,
too
fair
much.
enough. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Too much
Yeah, in the
trading.
stream.
Yeah, man. The stream. So,
Yeah.
bye, man. Well, Throwbacks was in here again. Thanks
Nice.
for.
How about Honest Rob?
No, he didn't come today, but fucking thanks for showing up.
All right. Big shout out to Throwbacks. And I mean, you're putting all Lakers fans on the edge of their seat. So it is interesting to say the least for tonight's game.
He'll be good for sure. But we'll catch everybody tomorrow.